It's the people we impact who will remember us when we're gone. But the impact on people and their four-legged friends is what cements a local legend's legacy. Tonight, a look back at Dr. Linda Sullivan's life well lived, a life that even in death is leaving a lasting impression. They're words to live by.
Anybody can do something good, and it might even snowball and become something a lot bigger than you thought it was going to be. So just do it.
Dr. Linda Sullivan practiced what she preached, all because of dogs.
She loved dogs like her babies.
Linda was part of the very first class of UW-School-of-Veterinary-Medicine and later taught there.
Linda was perfect. The best way to describe Linda is that she taught so much more than the technical aspects of being a veterinarian, and that what Linda really taught generations of veterinarians was compassion.
Dr. Jessie Sondel was her student.
She was a wonderful listener, and whenever you were with Linda, you felt like you were the most important thing that she had going at any given time. And so the big word for Linda is compassion.
Linda's compassion went beyond the classroom and into the community. She helped start dog-jog in 1984, a walk-run with your dog to benefit shelter animals. It lasted 30 years, raising hundreds of thousands of dollars, but she wanted to do more.
She had an incredible idea that said, let's try and bring dogs and kids together that are at the children's hospital to try and brighten their day a little bit. And when she first presented this concept, along with Dr. Chris Olson from the UW School of Vet Medicine, people kind of looked at her and said, dogs in a children's hospital?
The Pet Pals program began in 1996. It would morph into a new program called Champs in 2021. But the goal is still the same. Dogs bringing comfort to the youngest patients, helping them forget for even a moment they're sick.
Welcome to the czars-promise. She's been a tremendous mentor. She has spoken words of wisdom ever since I have known her. She's been the voice of reason. She has been a guiding light.
Her guiding light helped Beth Vinny launch a foundation like none other in the entire country, czars-promise, never missing an event while years in her own battle with ovarian cancer.
Cancer sucks. I know, but that doesn't mean we can't fight.
She was there with all smiles and with the primary goal of helping raise money for childhood and canine cancer research, and never once brought up her own battle or struggle. On her face, she was there to celebrate other people and make money for another cause, and that was Linda, full of compassion.
All three of those organizations and those efforts were based on her caring and her heart and her compassion. All three of them were. All three of them stemmed from the way she cared about people and animals.
And our corner of the world is all the better because of Linda and the compassion she has shown and taught to quite literally the thousands of people and animals she's ever come in contact with.
I'm going to wake up every day and hope to be as good of a vet as she tried to train us to be.
And the story is not complete without talking about her BFF, Sir Niles Newton, the love of her life, who, as Beth Vinny told me, was the best medicine for Linda up to her very last day. Before Linda passed away last month, she established the Sir Niles Newton Fund through the UW Vet School, which will care for all medical expenses of the dogs involved in the Champs program.